Being married is such an awesome lifelong commitment. It's an awesome sacrifice. It's a selfless act of saying, I love you and I'm never gonna leave you. It's something that on a daily basis, when you get emotional, you lay those emotions down and make sure that you remain self-controlled. Make sure that every day, even though no matter how busy you get, sure there are seasons, but you let your wife know how much you love her. And that's a daily act of love. Getting to know how she appreciates that message of love, whether it's flowers. When was the last time you sent your wife flowers? I love quality time with my wife. We go and watch movies together. And being faithful is a commitment, a decision. It doesn't always feel good. It's not always easy. But when you put that wedding ring on, it is forever. That is the vow I will keep.